Can you transfer audio through USB? You can transfer audio through USB once the device is US enabled with an inbuilt USB digital converter analog, which helps to amplify the sound. Transferring audio through USB has made it easy to move audio files without bothering yourself with a desk. Here are 3 steps to follow when transferring audio through USB. Step 1. Connect your USB audio to your computer. Locate a USB port in your computer or PC and plug in the USB. When plugging the USB audio device into your computer, find out the position of the chips. There are some computers that the USB chip will face downward or upward. The location of the USB chips will determine the position of the USB. If you don't plug in your USB device well, the audio file will not be able to produce clear and quality sound. Also, the USB device will not be able to fix it into your computer properly. You need to know the direction the USB device will take before you engage in the connection. Incorrect plug-in USB devices will not allow the computer or the PC to properly install the drivers. Once you properly connect the USB device, the driver will properly install and work better. When plugging in the USB device ensures you don't damage the chips on the USB device. Any damage to the USB device will automatically affect the connectivity of the whole transmitting system of the drivers. Step 2. Connect the white RCA cable to the white female input. USB cables are sensitive cables that will not transfer audio if the cables are incompatible. You need to ensure each cable of the USB is properly connected, hence your USB will not be able to transfer media files. Before you connect your USB cables, check the label to know which one is to be connected to another. USB will not be able to transfer audio when the cables are not interchanged. You need to find out which one is to be connected to another for the audio flow. Sometimes people experience low signals from their audio connection through USB. What causes it is connecting the wrong cable to another port. You need to plug the RCA input cable to the output port in your device. Interchangeability of the cable to the wrong port will make the USB transfer poor sound. Proper connection of the cable helps to make you have quality sound. Each cable of USB is a clearing label to ensure you properly do your connection for quality sound production. If you want the cable to be sending the right channel into the USB audio device, then you need to connect the red RCA cable to the red female input. Audio input needs cable output to give the right signal or channel, hence the sound will be very poor. Most importantly, USB cables contribute to the quality of sound you get when the cable is properly covered. For easy installation, you need to know where it is suitable to plug each USB cable of USB. When you port with the wrong cable, the sound that it will produce will be effective. Step 3. Install USB audio software. After you plug the cable into your computer's USB port, you need to install it. When using a wireless USB device, you still need to install it too once the signal shows up on your device. The installation will give access to a USB to easily transfer audio. If you don't install the audio, the system will not be able to transfer the audio. Once you are done with the installation, after you have properly input the code that it may request, you can transfer the audio file. Step 4. Adjust the output from audio source to get quality sound. When transferring audio through USB cables, sometimes you'll hear unclear sounds. The background sound will not allow the proper sound to come out. Most times, what causes this is the improper connection of the audio cables. All you need to do is adjust the output level from the audio source you plug into the USB audio device. If the sound persists, you must keep adjusting until you get the best quality sound from the transmission. Thank you for stopping by. If you found value in this video, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to know more about all things in sound technology, subscribe to our channel and visit AUDIOAMBITION.com.